Hi YouTube! I'm finally doing a video, and yes, I'm outside because I have to be a little more secretive now. If you guys have not seen my last video, then stop this one and go back and see my last one because it's pretty good news. If you have, then you guys know the great news, and that is that we got our BFP. So we are so excited, and I can't even tell you the feeling I have right now. Still a little bit in shock and kind of have a little bit of nervousness about it, obviously, with having had a loss so recently back in April. You kind of feel like, you know, I want to be happy, and I am, don't get me wrong, but there's that little underlying feeling that, you know, it could just be snatched away from you. I'm trying not to let that get in the way of the joy of what's going on here, so I just want to thank you guys so much for all your support, for those who constantly sent the baby dust my way, and all those positive vibes and prayers and whatever else, because it only took 3 cycles to have this happen this time. Last time it took us 6 months. So we're thrilled, and I just wanted to say hi, and that as far as symptoms go, I'm just really tired, and you know, sore boobs, normal things. I don't have any morning sickness or anything yet, knock on wood. And what else? I'm already getting like pregnancy brain. Like, I can't think. I don't even know what day it is today. My husband just had to tell me the day. Yeah, like walking from here to the pool right now, I feel like I ran a marathon. I'm really tired. But other than that, I'm fine. I had some cramping last week. Nothing after that, or at least nothing really noticeable. Sorry. I feel like something's biting me. Sorry. Yeah, I really think, I don't know, I have a feeling this is going to go good, at least I hope. So, a lot of you were actually asking about maybe us including kind of like the original version of our test video, so I'm probably just going to say goodbye now. I'll do a belly shot next week. There's really nothing there, so I'll start next week. I'll be 6 weeks then. I'm 5 weeks today. And I'll leave you with a thank you, and I love you guys, and here is the original version of the pregnancy video. Bye guys. It's kind of gross.
Good. Just put it on.
That'd be so weird if this shows up and it's positive. Oh my god. Good.
It's something. You see it?
Oh my god.
You see it? It's coming on.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Sorry.
You said oh shit.
It's coming. You see it? It's getting darker. Ah. You gotta hold it quietly.
It's positive. It's positive.
Yeah.
It's positive.
You sure? But is the minutes pass by you?
It doesn't matter. I knew it. I knew it. My dream was true. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh my god, we did it again.
Please, stick this, man.
I know. You know, it's so hard to be, like, completely happy.
So you pass that phase again.
I'm shaking. Oh my god, I look like crap.
No, it's funny.
Oh my god, it's positive.
No, it's funny. I can't tell that on the other.
It's totally positive.
Totally. You're a pig, dude. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
So what should you think? Was it the second round?
You totally should. You totally did it. I feel bad drinking all that coffee now.
This is crazy. I feel like I'm gonna dream right now. It's weird. It's like I keep on looking at it. It's like, come on, do a close up.
No. Oh, of this, yes. Of me, no. Oh my god. I don't know if it'll show it. Yep, see the X? Oh man, it looks so bad in this camera. So awesome. Thank you, God. Let the secrecy begin. I'm not telling anybody.
Covert action.
For a long time. Oh my God. I knew it. I dreamed this last night. I dreamed this. I hopped out of bed. First thing I said to Jeff, I said I had a dream I was pregnant. And I had to get my clothes on and run to the store because I just knew that I knew there was something about that dream. And I hate to sound weird, but look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. So many fears. So many fears after a miscarriage.